You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Look at those two words. They are both very confusing. How do you pronounce this? Make a guess right now. Alright, I'll help you. Papal, alright, that's not papal. In English, the pronunciation is papal. Papal conclave. Papal conclave. I know. Did you get this correctly? I know, it's crazy, right? Papal conclave. Did you get this correctly? Let us know in the comments. Fascinating. English is fascinating. Papal conclave. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.